So I got this yoga mat, which is like really long. It's this really cool turquoise or teal color. And they have their new blanket. Mama loves the sorry, I always sound out of breath. I'm always like doing stuff before I start the video. Mom loves the yoga mat material because she likes scratching it, so that's cool. And now we have this grippy surface so that the kittens can walk. You're doing so good. Oh man. So one had fallen down here and couldn't get back up because the cardboard was too scratchy. So now if they fall, they can get there. You're going off the mat. Can't help you there. Can you get back? So, come here, babies. Also, since I have a long length, I can have Clover, our turtle kitty. Actually has, pretty sure has swimmer's condition and flat-chested kitten syndrome. But I'm gonna take him to a vet. I think I am gonna do like a fundraiser for anybody who wants to donate to his care. Because our rescue, like they told me to do some videos online, but I want to absolutely make sure that's what it is before I like tape his legs together and do stuff like that. Look at you. Look at you trying to use your back legs. Can you use your legs to get to mommy? Look. Whoops. You're going the wrong way. I guess it doesn't matter where you go, but if you go to mommy, come on. Good job, baby. Yeah, there you go. That was a good range of motion. Mama. Why is this not staying closed? There you go. Oh my gosh, it's really hard with so much interference. Alright, let's go. Good job. I mean, this I don't think will hurt him. I think this definitely will help. Because he's moving his paws more. Can you move your back ones? Move this one. Good. I love you, Mama. Good job, Clover. Can we massage your legs? See, I just don't like doing anything with him because he always acts like he's in pain. That's not really a pain meow. That's like a leave me alone. They say for these guys, put them on their side. I can't get him to stay on his side. Yeah, I can feel how hard it is to get it out. Good job. This one's really deformed. It's really going inward. Mom, move. I know you want love. He's not crying in pain, he's just annoyed. He's got a very different meow for in pain. Here you go, buddy. Let me see. See, I don't know, like, I've never done that much with kittens like this, so I'm gonna see what it is compared. Move, please. Thank you. Thank you so much. Good mama. What if we just put, oh man. It's like being bow-legged. I know, I'm not gonna hurt your baby, I'm sorry. Mama likes laying on this better apparently. think she's gonna want to lay out here. I don't blame her. This is really comfy. So if she wants that, we can take away the bed. But I'll leave the bed there as an option. These guys should be able to get back up in the bed, and he should be able to drag himself. Come into me, baby. One of my friends was holding him, and he fell asleep in her arms. Like, I think he loves her so much. It was really cool. He's never done that for me yet. Of course, I haven't held him a whole lot because, I just don't hold the babies as much. Like, I do a little bit, but I've been so busy and everything. I hold them for, like, a short period of time, but not, like, a really long time at a time. I come back in here several times. Good job, mister. Good, very good. Very, very good. Can you work to get to mommy? I'm sorry, I'm trying not to put it in your eyes, but you keep looking up at it. I don't know why it's so dark over here. I think it's because of the box.